Hello friends, welcome to Csat series through PYQs. I want to discuss here concept of coprime or what is pair of coprime. This can be useful when you have given number or you have been given divisibility test problem. For example, if it is asked that whether this given x number is divisible by 35, in this case you don't know whether this you don't know the divisibility test of 35. So what you do, you divide, or I would say you represent this number in the multiplication of coprimes. So in this case I would say 7 into 5, this is a pair of coprime. So what you can check, if the given number x is divisible by 7 and it is divisible by 5, then only this x is divisible by 35. So in this case you can use the concept of coprime, and there can be direct question on coprime pair. Now this can be found out, or pair of coprime can be found out by two methods. First, if I take two numbers which represent 35 in multiplication, so number of combination are possible. So one is 5 into 7. So what I can do is, I need to find the factors of 5, I need to find the factors of 7, and in that if I find only one number as a common, it means 1 as a number should be common. So 5's factor are 1 into 5 and 7's factor are 1 into 7. So only 1 as a number is common, so this is a coprime pair. So in this case we can represent 35 into 5 into 7, and if it is divisible by 5 and divisible by 7, then given number is divisible by 35. Let us understand this from other example. If there is a divisibility test of 12, so what you can do is, you can represent this number into different pair. Let's say 12 can be represented into 2 into 6 or 4 into 3, but clearly you can see when you take factors of 2 as 1 and 2 and factors of 6 as 1 into 2 into 3 into 6, so this number of factors. So in this case 1 is also common, 2 is also common, so this cannot be said coprime because there should be only 1 as a common. So this is not a coprime pair. But 4 into 3, let's say factors of 4 as 1 into 2 into 1, 2 and 4, and factors of 3 as 1 and 3. So here common is only 1, so this can be said as a coprime. So this is a coprime pair. So if you have to check the divisibility test of 12, then you represent into 4 into 3. If that number is divisible by 4 as well as divisible by 3, then that given number is divisible by 12. So simply here you can observe one thing, that whenever you have pair in which one is prime number, then irrespective of other whether it is a prime or non-prime, this pair will be coprime, because prime numbers are only divisible by 1 and that number itself, provided these two numbers are not same. It means it should not be 7 into 7. It can be 7 as a prime number and any other non-7 number. So in representation, you represent given number where at least one is prime, then you can say that pair can be coprime. So in case of 35, let's say you represent it into 7 into 5, so here 7 is prime, so this, or 5 is also prime, so in this case this is a coprime pair. In case of 24, let's say you can represent 8 into 3, here you know 3 is a prime, so irrespective of other number, this is a coprime pair. But simplest criteria, what you can do is, you find the factors of this pair, you try to represent it where at least one number is prime, and you find the factors, and if only one as a number is common among those factors, then that pair is coprime.